Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of me. So in today's video, what I'm thinking of doing is, if you haven't seen Rihanna's thing, if you don't follow Rihanna, then who are you? So if you didn't know, I'm obsessed with Rihanna. Have been, always will be. I'm not just a normal person saying this, I'm like Rihanna Navy full on. So yeah, if you didn't know, she's got another palette coming out, can't wait. I thought I didn't get along with the first foundation that I tried, so I'm ordering a new one along with the new palette when it comes out. So I was going to film with the Jaclyn Hill palette, which I still am, but what I'm thinking is like altering it. So I'm thinking of recreating this. I'll insert a picture somewhere. It's basically Rihanna's ad campaign for, the new palette. So it's kind of like a bronzy, golden amazingness. So you might be asking yourself, well, how are you going to recreate this if the palette ain't out? Well, my dears, I'm going to try and attempt to recreate it by using the Jaclyn Hill palette. So a few shades from this, and then I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette. Oh, the Galaxy palette. I've been saving this for a while because I wanted it to, because it was a collector's item. I didn't want to use it because it's Rihanna, and I've got like loads of Rihanna collectibles in my wardrobe. But obviously makeup goes off, and it's too good not to use, so I really want to use it. So I'm thinking of using the girl shade that's in here and like trying to recreate that, and also like a red lipstick, and I'm also going to be using like the highlighter and the Fenty trophy wipe as well. So I've done a tutorial before this, so if you see any red, I'm sorry, but yeah, I'm going to try and So without further ado, let's get into the video and attempt to recreate Rihanna's look. Okay, so I prime my eyes, and first off I'm going to be taking, it looks like in the picture that she's just, like the picture I'm looking at on my phone, it looks like she's just got the gold on her eye and like a brown going through. So I'm going to be taking, obviously she's got a different skin tone to me, obviously. So I think I might go in with this shade first just to see what that's like, and then I'll probably end up going in with that shade because that is a bit darker, but I just want to go in with this shade first just to see what it's like on my skin tone, because she does have like a light wash of colour, and I don't have a bigger brush than this, so it's going to have to do. So just taking this and just running it through, bringing it quite high up, and then like kind of flicking it out. I don't want to go too ham because I don't feel as though that's what she's got, because it looks like it is a really light wash of colour, and I actually think that this colour is going to be perfect for my skin tone. This is probably going to be like a really quick video because like it looks super simple, but you watch, for me, probably something like do. On some of the pictures it literally looks like she hasn't got this kind of colour on. Like she literally looks as though she's got the gold, like literally just the gold there, and it's shadows. So I'm not really sure. So I'm just gonna brush what's left on my brush over my eye. Like so, just so it's like a really solid-ish base. Okay, so I think I've got the base somewhat down. One might be a little bit darker than the other, but oh well. So before I go into the Galaxy palette, what I want to do, I think, is just dust over with the trophy wipe. Just like take a fluffy brush and literally just with the lightest hand, I'm just going to dust over, starting from here. because this is really pigmented, but I just want it to I just want to get that gold in, and I just really think, because obviously we don't have the gold at hand, but I think this mixed in with the gold from the Galaxy palette is going to be amazing. So it doesn't matter if you actually go right into the inner corner, because she actually has the gold there as well. So I'm just going to sprinkle this on just to get our bearings, like so. So it doesn't look like she has anything on the lower lash line, but I'm just going to take that same colour that I used on the top and very lightly, just hurtfully lightly, just dust underneath. Just as like a shadow, but I'm only going to take it like up to halfway there. So I'm just taking it halfway because she has like the glitter coming right down here, so. Okay, so just taking another brush, I'm just gonna, it's a little bit thinner. I'm just gonna be taking Trophy Wife again, and I'm just gonna run this along here. This is just acting as a base for the girls, so that we really get the intensity. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. So now we're going to go in with the Galaxy palette. See, the look that she has looks so simple. So like, I don't know if I'm doing this right, but I'm giving it a try. So I'm going in with this gold shade here. It's like highly reflective, so I'm kind of scared. So I'm not going to use this brush just yet. I'm going to take the same brush that I used for Trophy Wife, and you could apply this with your finger, but I'm just going to do it with a brush first, just to see what kind of effect I get. And here we go. Okay, I'm actually going to take my finger and do this. And I'm just going to take it directly on the lid. Like so. This is the first time I'm using this palette and it's absolutely sick. So taking that fluffy round brush, I'm just going to buff this in, and then taking a pointed brush again, I'm going to dip into there and I'm going to bring it along the lash line here. I'm getting glitter in my eye. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. As I say, like, the look is really quite simple. Hers is a bit more goldy, than if you can see that, but I'll obviously insert the pictures. I'll obviously insert the pictures, but just kind of playing about, trying to recreate it a little bit. So for highlight, I'm thinking of the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle, and I'm going to use the Fire Crystal. I'm just going to spray my face with some Fix Plus first, and then I'm just going to take my brush and here we go. Holy fucking shit. So to take my highlight a little bit extra further, I'm going to be taking this, like, don't know if to take that shade or this shade, which is called, I don't even know the names. I think it's, this one's Milky Way and I think this one's Ozone. So I think I'm going to maybe, I might mix them. Yeah, I'm going to mix them a little bit. And that one, I'm just going to brush over my brow bone. Oh yes. Glitter everywhere. And then I'm just going to take a little bit and put it on my cheekbones as well. So for my lips, I obviously don't have the actual official lipstick, but I'm going to go in with this Revolution, just like a red lipstick. Okay, that's my lips done. I don't like, I'm so bad at lipstick. But I'm just going to take some of this iconic London spray and just spritz my face to give me an extra glow. And then taking some mascara, I might put some lashes on just to make this like extra. Okay guys, I ended up adding some lashes. This one looks a bit crazy. I don't know, me and lashes just don't get along, like literally do not get along. But it looks so good. So yeah, this is the finished Rihanna Moroccan, I think it's, yeah, Moroccan Spice. Hang on, don't want to embarrass myself. So yeah, this is the Rihanna inspired Moroccan Spice eye slash tutorial or whatever. Hope you enjoyed, and yeah, can't wait to review the actual palette. It's going to be absolutely sick. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Catch you then. Bitch, better have my